Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm participating in the Pumpkin Palooza challenge or open collab being hosted by Auntie Coo Coo. I hope you like what I came up with. Stay tuned. Today I'm going to show you how I created this adorable little pumpkin out of a napkin. So stay tuned. Here are the things you will need for this DIY. You'll need a napkin in the color of your choice. I'm choosing to make a neutral pumpkin, but if you want an orange one or a green one, you could do that as well, or even a gingham or polka dot one. You will need some sort of cardboard tubing. I used a paper towel roll and I was able to get 3 of these tubes out of it. I think I cut them to about 3.5 inches tall. Then you'll need either a cork or a stick. I have a cork here and I have some cinnamon sticks. You could use a twig from your garden, but that's what you'll need. So the first thing you want to do is to put one of your tubes in the center of the napkin. And you're going to actually turn this over and push the napkin into the center of the tube a little bit so it stays in there and makes kind of some wrinkles there. And then you're going to flip it back over the other direction, and then you're going to start taking the napkin and tucking the 4 corners into the tube, like so. And then once you have the 4 corners in there, you're going to start tucking in parts of the sides of the napkin that aren't the corners. And you're going to continue this way all around the napkin. And then once you have that all completed, then you'll flip it back over and you'll sort of start arranging it, arranging the folds so it looks like you want it to look and looks kind of pumpkin shaped. And we'll do that off camera and come back. So now that I have fluffed up the pumpkin, I'm going to take a cork and stick it in the center to create the stem. As I mentioned, you could also take a twig or maybe some cinnamon sticks and stick them in to create the stem of the pumpkin. You could also add some artificial leaves if you wanted to create a leaf effect on the pumpkin. And now you can see I have put my pumpkin onto this pumpkin plate right here. And you could use that at each place setting on your harvest table. And it will be very easy for the guests to use their pumpkin napkin. All they have to do is take the cork out and then undo the napkin from the roll. And I'm trying to do this one-handed, but it would be a lot easier. And then they can just set those aside once they're ready to eat. And there you have your napkin ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And also please be sure to check out all the other participants in this challenge. Thanks again to Auntie Coo Coo for hosting this challenge, and I look forward to seeing you all next time.